Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this unboxing video we are going to be doing a processor, and this is specifically the Intel Core i9-9900K unlocked processor. It's supposedly the world's fastest gaming processor when it came. Let's start with the unboxing. We see that the processor comes in a black silky pouch. That's quite a fancy thing, especially given that this is one of the most expensive processors that you can have on a mainstream desktop machine. We're not considering the Threadrippers or the Xeon workstations or Core i9 Extreme Edition processors. Putting the pouch aside, we are met with a rather unusual shape. But it's not actually unusual. This is a regular dodecahedron. It's made out of 12 faces, all of which are pentagonal in shape. So it's quite fancy. It's made out of blue, translucent and transparent edges on all sides. You can see it even has a black sash with a lot of text written on it. This is sort of the marketing material. So we're going to take a small knife and slice it out so that we can get rid of the cardboard packaging that wraps around it. Now this is the seal of authenticity, which guarantees that the processor that you've purchased is an authentic Intel product. So if you are planning on returning your product, do not remove the seal. Now we're done with the seal. We'll remove the cardboard packaging and we are left with just the transparent and translucent blue housing, or the dodecahedron, in case you guys wanted a math lesson. Now let's see the packaging overall. It seems to be fairly normal. There's nothing out of the ordinary. We have a little bit of marketing information as well as specifications on the end, and that's about it. We'll put this away and come back to the plastic packaging. Now we see it has another seal over there and yet another. This entire thing comes off in two halves, and you can see the processor is there inside. So we'll start with slicing off one of the seals. Hopefully that did the trick. No, we'll have to go with another pass. There you go. You can even make this into a nice keychain ball for all your keys once you're done installing this processor into your PC. And here we have the Intel Core i9-9900K. It comes in another cardboard packaging on the inside. It's a very flat one. And in case you guys haven't noticed, we don't see a cooler anywhere. That's because these high-end processors tend to generate quite a lot of heat, and you're better off with a custom AIO or a very beefy third-party cooler. Keep the processor aside and look at the other contents of the packaging. We see a small booklet with installation instructions as well as the warranty terms for your processor. Warranty terms are specific to the country that you're purchasing the processor in and also from the vendor you're purchasing it from. So please do keep that in mind while referring your warranty terms. And finally, we are moving to the processor. It comes in a small foam package with the plastic clamshell that we've so gotten used to. And this is one of the most powerful processors that you can buy from mainstream desktops. Let's get rid of the final plastic clamshell and look at the processor in all its glory. It's kind of easy to take this out. And please always handle the processor by the edges. Don't touch the undersides. The gold contact points on the undersides are very sensitive to ESD shocks. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.